Rich and Regal 71 Everett Street will check all your boxes. This stunning home is almost 3,000 square feet. Enter into the large foyer with 15-foot ceilings and pivot through the glass French doors into your grand home office. This is Command Central with California shutters, sky-high windows overlooking the road, and is the perfect place for quiet productivity or reflection. Or head on up past the luxurious living and dining rooms into the expansive family room with fireplace and pot lights. And back to this dining living room combined space. This is the perfect spot to entertain friends and family. Gorgeous light fixtures, pot lights, luxurious wainscoting and California shutters. And one of my favorite features is the walkout to this wraparound terrace with seating overlooking the front yard. The kitchen is magnificent. So much storage. Quartz counters with an island breakfast bar and high-end appliances, including an Electrolux gas stove. This servery makes a perfect wine bar or coffee station and gives you direct access to the dining room. Throughout this almost 3,000 square foot home, you'll find gleaming hardwood floors, built-in speakers, wainscoting, upgraded light fixtures, pot lights, upgraded door hardware, and that's just to name a few of the stunning features that elevate this home. On this level, you'll also find a large laundry room with a front-load LG washer and dryer on pedestals and a deluxe powder room. Upstairs, find 4 large bedrooms. The primary suite has a 5-piece bathroom, plenty of windows, and a deluxe walk-in closet. Bedrooms 2 and 3 share a 5-piece bathroom, and the 4th bedroom up here has its own ensuite. All bathrooms have quartz countertops, upgraded light and plumbing fixtures.
This home also features a direct access to the garage and a massive walk-in closet. The basement is full of extras. It's got a 5th bedroom, a 5th bathroom, a recreation room with a wet bar and a built-in entertainment shelving. And it's got a walkout to the backyard.
We're in Wismer, a great family-friendly suburb of Markham. We're south of Burr Oak Avenue and just east of Markham Road. Even though we're in the suburbs, the walkability score here is pretty solid. We're about 5 minutes away from Shoppers Drug Mart, lots of grocery stores, shopping plazas, banks and restaurants, and great schools and parks. 71 Everett could be your forever at home.